Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about how to make money on coronavirus. And the easiest way to make money on coronavirus is to just sell some face masks like this one or this one. If you really want to help people, you can buy FFP2 or FFP3 classes, and actually it will help people not to breathe virus. And if you don't know, but this kind of masks like on that woman, they are actually not working, and you can use it only if you got a coronavirus and are trying to stop spreading it. The third thing, I think you can make a viral prank, and you can make lots of views on that term because it's interesting for people. And actually you can have 2000 subscribers and get 100,000 views, and it is super cool. And the second man with only 18,000 subscribers made 107,000 views, and it is lots of pranks here. It is huge for this kind of channels. The next thing that you can try to do is to trade some garbage like Inovio Pharmaceuticals or some other biopharm stocks. If you don't have lots of experience in these moves, I think you will lose your money like 100%. And actually we can find lots of the same stocks, iBio. They are only talking about vaccine partnership, and their stocks like blow up to hundreds of percents. It is insane. And actually the real thing that I can suggest you, because to sell respirators and make pranks video and not to trading INO and IBO, you can just buy and hold some great stocks, because if lots of people will die, like 3%, and 2 of that 3% like old people, I think nothing will happen with super big companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, Visa, Johnson & Johnson, and others. Maybe they will drop down to like 50% or more, but in 1 year they will recover it to 100%, and I think this is like some kind of trade war plus, and some of American corporations who outsource their facilities to China will move back to America, and America will win in this situation. And also we have really low prices for oil right now, and this will help too, because with a cheap oil you can produce more things and sell it for a better price. And we have like minus 17% right now, and I think it is not a problem at all, because you can see that we have a green bars and some big wheels, I think, buying. And if someone buying, I don't think that we will go down more. Maybe it will be 30%, or maybe a little bit more, like 190. And I really suggest you to buy more, because it is a great opportunity for those people who just miss the timing and miss 10 years of grow from here to here. I hope that video was helpful. Please push like button, subscribe button, and please leave a comment below what do you think about that situation. Bye bye.